this channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And so for today, I will show to you guys the tutorial on how to do a TCoffee in a Python. So before I get started to do the coding in the Python, first of all, I need to show to you guys in the online way first. So if you understand how to do TCoffee in online, so then you guys can proceed to the coding and you get better understanding. So before that, what is TCoffee? TCoffee is a multiple sequence alignment software that using in a progressive approach that generate a library of pairwise alignment to guide the multiple sequence alignment. Okay, so here we will use a structured alignment espresso for align the protein sequence. So I upload the file. So I decide to align this file and then select and then submit, and we wait to see the result. So in here, the TCoffee will align the FASTA sequence, and then after the FASTA file be aligned, we will download and we will insert into the Python coding. So let's wait until this job finish first, then we can proceed to the coding. So here's the thing, after you conduct the TCoffee, you run at the browser. So as you can see, this is the output of the FASTA file that we align in the browser, and also you can download the input file, which is input sequence, and the DND3 file, and also the FASTA file. So this is the thing that when you conduct using TCoffee browser. But if you want to run at the Python, here's the thing. So we begin at the top one. So for this case, I want to use Covid19 cases as a case study, as an example for to show to you guys. So first of all, you must install the Biopython libraries in the compiler Jupyter Notebook, and next you need to download the cluster W package. I will provide link at the description below, so you guys can just proceed to the downloading first, and you guys need to install the cluster W2 and need to set up the environment variable. But I'm sorry, I'm not showing that step in this video. But if you want to see how I set up the environment variables for the cluster W2, you guys can click in the link below for my video to demonstrate how to set up environment variable. If you're not doing that, you will encounter error in this coding. So there's no point for you to continue in this video because you guys will encounter error. So if you guys already set up the environment variable, so you guys can proceed with the video. So next thing is you need to import the BioAlign application and import the cluster W from the line. But if you this is for the cluster W, but for TCoffee, you need to import the TCoffee command line. Okay, so for me, the main thing is the cluster W. So I align for the cluster W first, and then I align for the TCoffee. Okay, so the TCoffee line, command line I import, and then I import the COVID sequence FASTA file for the TCoffee, and then the output in cluster W, and the output also in the COVID sequence align. So if I run this code, then it will produce a file, which is the FASTA file here, will be aligned as the TCoffee like this. It will be aligned like this, and it will produce the COVID sequence ALN here. As you can see, the time just now it produces the ALN file. And then what happened after that is we will use this to do the tree later, to construct the tree. So first of all, in here we will read the FASTA file, and then after that we need to set up. Here is the thing that I said just now about the setup environment variable. If you guys do not set up the environment variable, you guys cannot run this process. You will encounter error here. So you guys need to solve the environment variable first, then you guys can proceed here. So we just now, just I said, you guys import the coffee sequence FASTA file here, and it will read. And then here is where we want to display the file of coffee sequence alignment, ALN of TCoffee. So this is for reading purpose, and this is the output for the alignment. And then for displaying the tree, you guys need to convert it into the DND format. So where you can get the DND file, just now you browsing, right? You go browsing to the browser and you just can download it from here. This one, DND file. So you guys download it here, and then you guys import it into here, into the part here, and it will construct the tree, the phylogenetic tree. And then for UPGMA format, before that we need to calculate the distance calculator, the identity between the sequence, and the score is here. And then to construct in UPGMA format tree, you guys need to run coding here, Biopython tree construction, distance tree constructor, and then import phylab, import philo, and draw the UPGMA tree. And here is the output that you can see for the TCoffee. So that's only for today, for this video. If you guys think that this video might help for you guys do the lab or assignment, you guys can like, share and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you.
Because the best part is knowing there's something in my dreams that always makes me smile. It's you. The best part is knowing there's someone in my life that makes it all worthwhile. It's you, it's you, it's you,